Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add photos in Facebook. To add more photos in your Facebook, you have to post it first. To post your Facebook photos, open your Facebook application and then make sure that you have logged into your Facebook account. Once you do that, hit on the menu button and open your profile by hitting on the profile picture on the top. From here, scroll down a little bit. You'll see an option of what's on your mind. Hit on that. From here, type any caption and hit on the gallery icon, which is on the just top of your keyboard. Once you select the gallery icon, you will see this pop up. From here, select photo and video, and then your gallery will be opened. Choose any photo you want to add and hit on the post. When you post it, it will be added to your Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.